Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Today I thought I'd show you how to make a bird feeder. So what you'll need is a toilet roll tube, something sticky like honey, a string to hang it up with, and some bird seed. Right. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a hole in the side of the toilet roll tube. I'm using a pencil and you might need a little bit of help with this. One, two, there we go, one on each side. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spread the honey. I'm using a knife to spread the honey on this, and I'm going to keep my fingers inside so they don't get sticky. So there's some honey going on, nice and sticky all the way around. So it meets the other side. There we go, all sticky with honey now. And next I'm going to get my bird seed and I'm going to roll the toilet roll in the bird seed so it all gets coated and it all sticks to the honey. Might need to roll it a few times. There we go, I think it's all coated now. And now what I'm going to do, we need to be able to hang it up, so I'm going to get my string and see if I can get it through the hole. Again, you might need a bit of help doing this. And tie it in a knot. And on the other side too. There we go. So now you can hang it up, and hopefully the birds will come and visit in the garden and enjoy pecking all the seeds. You could use bird seed, or you could use some sugar-free cereal or some nuts. I'm sure they'd enjoy that. Okay, bye.